Salam friends. We will apply water ripple effect. There is a scenery. Let's get started with any delay. Intro and music. Press Ctrl+J to create a duplicate layer. There is a duplicate layer now. We need to change canvas size. Select percentage. Change height 200%, not width. Click OK and watch canvas size. Move image upwards. Disable below layer. Make duplicate layer for active layer by Ctrl+J. Press Ctrl+T to transform. Press Shift and hold, then drag image to downwards and place it. Then hit Enter. Image is flipped vertical in a sense. Move this layer below. Create a blank layer above all layers. Make sure foreground and background colors are default black and white. If not, then press D. Press Ctrl plus backspace to fill it with white color. Go to Filter, Render Clouds. We will open levels here. Change midtone value equals 2.0. Then hit OK. Convert this layer to smart object so we can work non-destructive on it. Go to Filter, Distort, Twirl. Make angle amount 200 and then hit OK. Again go to Filter, Distort, Zigzag. Make amount 80, ridges 20, and style is pond ripples. Now hit OK. Again go to Filter, Blue, Gaussian Blur. Make amount 2.0 pixels and hit OK. We will convert this layer as smart object again. Convert to smart object. All effects are converted to a smart object. Press Ctrl plus T to transform. Press Shift and drag downwards exact on flipped image. It will snap on flipped image. And hit OK. We need to zoom out for next step. Press Ctrl plus to zoom out. Press Ctrl plus T to transform. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift and hold. We will drag it outside from right bottom corner. Zoom in. Press Shift and hold. Drag it up almost 30-35%. Now press Enter. Press Ctrl plus 0 to fit in screen. Right-click on layer and rasterize layer. Press Ctrl plus A to select whole document. Then go to Image Crop. Then Ctrl plus D to deselect. We don't need bottom layer, so delete it. Make duplicate layer for the layer we applied effects. When we will click on duplicate layer, a dialog box will open. Select document new. Suppose we name it ripples. Then hit OK. A new document will open. It is document with ripples effect. Now we will save it. Save as PSD. I am going to save it at desktop. It is saved now as PSD. We don't need document anymore, so close it. Disable layer with ripples effect. And select layer that we flipped vertical. Go to Filter, Distort Displace. Make horizontal scale 10, vertical scale 150. Check stretch to fit and repeat edge pixels. Press OK and it will ask for saved PSD. We will open it. So here is effect on the layer. We didn't use any plugin or any filter out from Photoshop. We create this effect with Photoshop's own built-in filters. We can see some area has no effect. We will move it up just like that. Now need to give an effect so both will differ. Create a new layer and select Gradient tool. Left side with clack color but right side with 0 fill opacity mean no color. And apply gradient in the middle. Change blend mode from normal to darken. Multiply seems not good. Color burn look odd. So we need to select darken. Now below image with effects look different from above image. Now we will apply water cool effect. Go to photo filter. There are many filters in it. Try different cooling filters. This one suits here, warming filter 85. We applied this effect on this layer. We can see a sharp line between both images. Need to blur it? Select Blur tool. Make size 25 and strength 50. Click on point left side middle of image. Press Shift and hold. And on right side point just click will make all the way blur. But by mistake we applied this effect on photo filter layer, that why there is no blur. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E. A layer will appear. Instead of click one by one and disable layer, just press Alt and click on top layer. Click again will enable all layers. Now we will blur image from center. Press Shift and hold, then click left point. And then click on right point. We didn't move brush like we are painting. Just in 2 clicks, one on left and one on right. Now need to crop image. Pick crop tool and from up as we need. And from down extra area without effect. Crop it and hit enter. And here is water ripple effect. Without any plugin. And without any filter out from Photoshop. We create this water ripple effect with Photoshop's own built-in filters. So this water ripples effect is ready. Usually we use outer filters or plug-in for this effect. But if we use built-in filters, and we know how to use them, then no need to import any filter from out or any plug-in. There are many things in Photoshop need to discover. Work with Photoshop again and again. Select and work with one tool and discover it. Until new tutorial, Allah Hafiz.